Christmas is over, sad, but I got something to help me get ready for this spring cleaning stage that's coming up soon. I got a new Simplicity vacuum and I wanted to unbox it with you all because I wanted to show you what's in it, and yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get into it. I don't know if you're like me, but after the holidays, my sewing area in my whole house is a mess. It's a wreck. There's fuzz everywhere. There's pine needles. There is bow hair everywhere because, you know, it's just everything is going all over the place. So I was super excited to get this vacuum because it's great for taking everywhere you need to go and being able to clean up your house in a quick manner, I guess. So I am super excited to get it all open and set up. It's perfect for, it says on here, perfect for bare floors and rugs, which is great for me because I have hardwood floors throughout our house, but we do have a lot of rugs. So that's good. Here's my little manual from Simplicity Vacuums. And we're gonna get into it. All right, here it all is in its beautiful glory. There's not a whole lot of pieces. So you've got your bottom piece. This is my main piece, and I love that it comes with this little thing that you can attach to the wall. So you can hang it on the mountain on the wall, and then you don't have to be like, where the heck do I put all this? Extensions, the thing to mount the extensions on, plug, battery, I think I say that very sure myself, as if I really know what it is, and then another little brush. And we're gonna put it together and we're gonna put it to some use and see what it really works, how it really works. All right, so are you one of those that reads the manual? Because I am not. I just start putting pieces together. Probably not the best thing, but that's how I am. All right, so here is my main piece. It looks like this is where my battery pack is gonna go right there. Yeah. Ooh, it's like a gun. Already turned it on. It's already ready to go. It's got turbo, boost, and eco. There's the different settings on here. You've got the little lock in the back here for the filter. So that's where the filter goes. Just turned it back on. And then we're gonna close that back up. Okay, here's the bottom piece. Okay, so one of these two is gonna go on first. I'm assuming it is this one because it looks like it fits right in there. All right, here we go. Okay, and then we got this piece, but I think this one goes at the front. Okay, so let's just leave that there. I'm assuming this one goes connected here, or this is the attachment. That's what it is. Look at this cute little attachment with the little piece here that extends. That's really nice. And we've got another attachment here. I'm so excited. This one's got a little brush and it's got the little fibers on the inside as well. So it's nice for picking up those hard to reach places. Let's see if we take this off. And we're gonna attach the other one on so we can kind of clean and vacuum at the same time. And then this one is more of a longer kind of narrow head, which works great for vacuuming around my sewing machine and all those places, and we'll try it out. And then we've got the main piece here, which is the piece for vacuuming around the house. That's pretty cool. All right, We're gonna have to go try it out. Oh, this also comes off here. So if I want a longer attachment piece area, to vacuum a longer area like my fans. Finally, my fans are gonna get vacuumed. That is nice because usually I have to climb on the bed and vacuum them up. But this way I can reach my fans. Anyway, we're gonna try it out. I'm super excited about it. All right, so let me show you. As you've seen before, this is my sewing area. So it's kind of wide and there's my cutting table right there in the center. And my fan is right above it. So it really is kind of hard for me to get to the fan unless I climb on top of the table. But because of this long handle, let me see. Ah! Running into everything. We can just vacuum the fan. Whoop, stop. And it's got the little brush, so it's easy to vacuum. Probably shouldn't show you this, but there's all the dust that came off my fan. And you can see it here inside the little dustbin area. All right, I love all the different attachments because obviously I can do higher places with this brush. But if I want to change that and I still want it to be long, I can make this long piece here and change it to this skinny one where I can go into those back places underneath my sewing machine and grab all those pieces that get underneath there. So that's great. Okay, and then I can take that off and use my regular handle to vacuum my floors and pick up all the bigger pieces. And I love the little lights at the front. There's the little lights that go and show me where I'm going. But I think my favorite piece will be actually taking it off the top, taking the long one off, and using this attachment here because I can vacuum on top of my sewing machine and all the way around. So easy to get all those little compartments and even the sewing machine. You can attach the little, pull the little thing all the way out and get really close in there. Or I can attach the brush again and brush around the machine. That's pretty neat. All right, once I'm done vacuuming it all up and doing everything I need to do, there's got this push button here at the front. Just push that out and go empty your all your trash out of your bucket. You can see I have all these threads in there that I just vacuumed out. So that's perfect, super easy. It also comes with, I like the fact that it comes with a little mount because, I mean, where am I gonna store this, right? So it comes with a little mount so you can go ahead and take the battery out, or you can just leave the battery in there and place it right on that little mount there. That's gonna get screwed onto the wall. So it's easy to store and put away. So I Love that. Comment below and let me know what you think. I like to share with you when I get things like this. If it's something that I think it's gonna help you with sewing and with all everyday regular life issues. The screws are in here, I don't wanna lose them. So that's always fun for me to do. And so that's why I'm on here sharing this with you. The screw is right there. So this goes attached right to this. The screw is still in there, so I have to take the screw out and put it on there, but it's also an attachment where I can attach the other pieces so it doesn't go flying. Okay, they go this way. I'm showing you this and I'm like showing you upside down, but the vacuum goes attached here, the attachments go attached at the bottom, and that way, you know, you can put them away and be kind of clean. Unlike me, I'm a mess. So I really need everything that's gonna help me keep it together and not a mess. But anyway, this was really fun. I'll attach the information where you can purchase this vacuum if something you're interested on. It's the Simplicity Vacuums. I thought it was really neat. I'm super excited about it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out all my tutorials on here, sewing tutorials. And also find me on Instagram at Eloise.Ezra, where I do a lot of more behind the scenes stuff and sewing. And anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye! Okay, I just have to come back on here because I don't know if you noticed it, but at the end of that whole thing, I realized something. You know, I'm a fast sewist and I am very honest and open with you all, so I'm going to share this with you. I just realized there is a gap on my shirt. And it's not because it broke, it's because sometimes when I'm sewing too fast and I'm sewing up a top or something like that, I don't always make sure that my fabric cut. And that's what that is. I don't know if you noticed that throughout the video, but I wanted to point it out in case you did, and if you didn't, then there it is. We kind of all make those mistakes when we're sewing. Anyway, alright, well, now that I mentioned that up, let me go ahead and mention this is the Bridget Dolman by Alien Math, in case you were wondering, made in a ribbed knit. And these are the Isle jeans by Chalk and Notch, made in a denim, checker denim. So cute. Anyway, alright, bye. I'm gonna go fix my shirt.